Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and summarize the three laws of logarithms. Before I cover these three laws, I just want to point out that the basis must be the same in order for us to use these logarithmic laws. The first law that we learned in the previous unit states the fact that, well, it's a power law. It's log of b of x to the power of n. So if I'm evaluating this, I can actually bring that exponent down and multiply it with my logarithmic function. So it becomes n times log of base b of x. So if you notice here, the bases are exactly the same. For our product law, if I'm taking the log of my product, that is going to equal to the sum of my two logs with the exact same base. So that's log base b of mn equals to log base b of n plus the log base b of n. And my last law is called the quotient law. If I have the log of my quotient, that's equal to the difference of my logarithmic function with the exact same base. So I have log base b of m divided by n equals to log base b of m minus log base b of n. Let's go ahead and see how that applies to our examples. The first two examples have been completed for you already. I'm just going to walk you through them, and then we're going to do part C together. I have here log of 5 of 224 minus log of 5 of 7, and the question is to express as a single logarithmic function. If you notice here, this is the difference of two logarithmic functions with the exact same base, so I can write that as a quotient of my logs. So this would be log of 5 of 224 divided by 7, which simplifies to log of 5 of 32. Similarly, for part B, I have sum of two logs with the exact same base, so I can write this as a log of my product. So it'll be log base 10 times 8, log base 10 of 8 times 9, which simplifies log base 10 of 72. So this is now expressed as a single logarithmic function. So let's go ahead and apply those properties with the last case as well. I have here log base 6 of x squared minus 9 minus 2 log of 6 base 6 of x minus 3. I have here a difference of my two logarithmic functions with the exact same base, so I can recall my quotient law in that case. Just before I go ahead and apply my quotient law, I'm going to take this 2 and just reverse my power law by taking this 2 and essentially moving it to as an exponent. Let's go ahead and do that first. Log base 6 of x squared minus 9 minus log base 6 of x minus 3 squared. I am now going to use my quotient law of log. That's log base 6 x squared minus 9 divided by x minus 3 squared. I'm just going to go ahead and simplify that now. Top here you can see that's a difference of squares, so I'm going to factor that as x minus 3 and x plus 3. Log of base 6 of x minus 3 and x plus 3. And the denominator here, I'm just going to expand that and write it as x minus 3 times x minus 3. And as you can see here, the x minus 3's would cancel out, and you will have log of base 6 of x plus 3 over x minus 3. And this is now written as a single logarithmic function.